algorithms. Okay, so we have two, basically we have two algorithms inside this. Give me a minute, I'll just drink water. All right, so let's see regression algorithms. So like basically before starting a regression algorithm, guys, so you have seen that machine learning is nothing but prediction of future outcomes. Like what, by learning from all the data sets, like huge data sets, how what it can predict for a new data set, like what can be the outcome of the new data set just by learning from all the data sets from a long time. So this is we have seen in machine learning. Okay, and if this prediction, what all the prediction is going on is on real data set, it is known as regression algorithms. Now if I want to explain what exactly is real data set, let me give you an example. Real data set is nothing but, I'm talking about regression algorithms. Okay, so I'll just write it, and we are talking about regression algorithm. if if we have if the prediction is on real data sets, it is regression algorithm. It means that I'll give you an example. Let's say let's take salary. Suppose, let's say my salary is per year I'm earning, let's say, 32 lakh. It is This is my CTC in a company. Okay, 32 lakhs. This is my package. This is INR. Okay, so like we just round up and say, okay, so someone, your relatives ask, okay, so you are working with this company, you're working with Google, what's your salary? So we'll say like it's 32 lakhs package of 32 lakhs. But basically on your seat, the CTC on your joining letter or anything, it will not be exactly 32. It will, like, it may be 32, it can be 32, but it can also be mm, 31.8 lakhs or 32.2 lakhs or 32.08 lakhs. It can be something like this, right? It cannot be exact 32. If you have seen any offer letter or something, it is somewhat like this. Salaries are somewhat like this. So if we are predicting something and output comes into decimals, like exact values up to decimals, and outcome is on real data set, like salary is real and it is coming on exact numbers are there and into decimals. So predicting something and output is decimals, so this comes into regression algorithms. Okay, so I can give you an example of regression example, like I can give you one live example also again. Like one more example which can be taken under this is, let's say, revenue of a company. It comes under regression algorithms. Revenue, like revenue comes, it can come into decimals and all. And another one is housing price. When you buy or sell your house, or if you want to buy something, if you want to buy a flat in, let's say, Delhi or Gurgaon somewhere, it's like 1 crore. You say it's 1 crore flat or 1.5 crores flat, but basically it's not exactly that. I can show you this with an example again. Let's open Magic Bricks. Okay, so let's say uh, I want enter location. So let's take my location, East Patel. Nagar, New Delhi. All right. So this is my location and property type. Let's say a flat, uh, 3 BHK flat. Okay, commercial official use. Okay, this will work. Okay, and let's search. So you can see it here. 1.85 crore, 2.25 CR, 3.75 CR, 3.40 CR. This is 3 CR, but you can see more than 90% of the results are like this 2.73, 1.85. This is when we search it, when I just pressed enter after putting all the details and all, when I pressed enter, a machine learning algorithm was running at the backend, and that is your basically your regression algorithm. Okay, that was your regression algorithm, regression machine learning algorithm basically, and this magic bricks is using that thing at the back end. So you can, I'm not, this is like, even if most of the 80% of the companies are using concepts of machine learning or artificial intelligence some or the other way, and even magic bricks is hiring machine learning. I open machine learning magic brick because I have worked with magic bricks into machine learning concept for like 8 months. I've been working there. So then I got another good opportunity, so I shifted. So but the thing, different thing. So I've shown you here, like almost all the companies are using machine learning concepts some or the other way, and they are paying heavily. Trust me, guys. Okay, so let's get back. All right. So this was your regression algorithms. Now the second one is your classification algorithm. Let me change the pen color. And guys, I hope you have revised what we have seen yesterday. Basically, at the end of the class, I do give a revision on what we have learned on the previous class. I'll do that quickly in like 5-10 minutes. So like basically I do it in the last because those who have already revised, if they don't want to attend or look at the lectures, they can simply ignore it. So I do that, like I spare 5-10 minutes at the end of every lecture and I'll just revise everything. But it was introductory class. I hope it won't require anything much. I hope you have gone through and you are going through Python lessons. Those who have no idea about Python, very easy language. Okay, and you must have downloaded Anaconda and you have started working with Jupyter Notebook and all. Just hands-on that. The most important projects and all we will be working there. But first, I will be teaching you theoretical part. Everything which is under theory, I will be teaching that. Now let's see classification algorithms. And so here we get output in discrete formats. In classification algorithms, we get outputs in I don't know what happened to my pen. Okay, so what do I mean with this is that there are more than one possibility of the outcome. Discrete format means there are more than one possibility, and the best example is your Gmail. If a sender sends you an email, there is a possibility it can go to spam or it can go to ham. So there are more than one possibility, right? Right. Unlike here, like there is a house price. For one price, there will be one house price. Like for one location, one flat, it only shows one. There are not like 3.18 lakh or 35 lakh. It can't be done. So this is the regression one, and this is in Gmail one is the discrete one. There are more than one outcome. or output. So best is the Gmail example. So one is ham and one is spam, and now also ham is further divided into social, promotional, and all. So this is your basically your classification algorithm. Okay. All right. And classification algorithm, it's also not that important, but yeah, you can have a look at it. Like basically, it's not that regression is important. And like basically supervised learning, in short.